Hi, I'm coming to you from a very bright, sunshiny day, a fall day actually, but it's still very bright here in Georgia. So we're looking at finding a value inside of a set of coordinates when we only know the other point, we know the slope, and we know the y value. In this case, we don't know the x value. So this is an interesting one. This is a very algebra kind of algebra problem. It's very much involved with solving equations and understanding the slope formula and slope-intercept form, I really should say here. So let's no, we're not going to use slope-intercept. We could. I think let's just use the slope formula for this one. So the slope formula says, subtract your y's over subtract your x's, and that is equal to the slope. Now, on this, we know the slope is -7/3. And we know our second y is -1. And our first y is -8. So -1 minus -8. So I'm going to go ahead and put +8. Over our second x is x minus our first x is 0. Okay. So all of that needs to equal -7/3. So I'm going to actually put this as -7/3. I'm going to write it just so it looks a little more succinct. Okay. So here on the bottom, x minus 0. Well, x minus 0, anything minus 0 is just that thing. If you take 0 away, you haven't changed it, right? So this is really just x on the bottom. So I'm going to cross multiply here. There's a couple of ways to solve this, but let's cross multiply. First of all, 8 minus 1 is really 7. So I'm doing a lot of cleaning up here. 3 times 7 is 21. X times -7, that's just -7x. If I divide by -7, I can quickly see that x is equal to -3. And that is the solution to this question, because it only asks us for the x value. So it's a very unusual one, interesting way of solving here. And so, yeah, you may have done it at least 2 other ways. And so if you got the right answer, then your way is probably working for you. It doesn't have to be my way by any means. All right. I hope that helps. See you next time.